Hey guys and girls, PC Addict 365 here with you, and today I want to talk to you about a build I'm doing for a friend. He had a budget of right around $2,000 and wanted to have basically like a video editing computer build. So I started shopping for parts around a little before Black Friday, and I've actually found some pretty good deals, so I'll show you guys what we ran into for deals and how we came about on budget, I guess. Okay, so his budget was $2,000, and I told him it would be actually a really tight budget because he wanted a monitor and speakers and everything basically included. So normally to get a really high-end computer just for the tower alone, you're probably looking at, I'd say at least $1,500 if you're going high end. So, alright, but anyway, so that's his budget. So for processor, we were looking at the quad core 4770, but we decided for future proofing and for the video editing performance benefits to go with the 6-core i7 3930K, which I picked up for $479.99. I did see after I had bought this one that another place had it on sale on Cyber Monday for $449, so I could have saved about $30 there, but that's alright. So for power supply, I ended up getting a Rosewill Capstone 750 watt 80 plus gold for $99. I got them two Blu Ray. Okay, why did that go down? Anyway, I got them two Blu Ray drives. LG, the 14X burners. Got each of them for $99. For graphics card, I got the MSI Gaming 770 2 gig for $299. Plus it had 3 free games with it in case he wants to do any gaming. Another big savings was on SSD drives if you guys were watching Black Friday. I picked up the Seagate 600 series 240 gig for $129 plus $4.18 shipping. That was a total of $134. I ended up getting a Toshiba 3 terabyte hard drive for internal storage for data and stuff. Eventually in the future he will add another hard drive, but for now we figured one 3 terabyte just to store all his video files on and everything until his budget allows him to get another hard drive to render out to or whatever. So, and I picked that up for $89. The monitor, we got the Acer 24-inch. Here's the model number. 5 stars on Newegg, I believe. Yeah, it was 5-star rated. And then that was $99. The one bad thing about this monitor that I did not notice when I was buying it, probably because I was in a little bit of a rush or whatever, I don't know. But anyway, it did not have HDMI on it. I could have swore it did, but I got it, took it out of the box, and it did not. The case, we went again with the Corsair C70 Vengeance, a black one. Picked that up for $109. Motherboard was a Asus P9 X79 LE. Got that for $224. The RAM, I went with G.Skill Ripsaw X series 16 gig for $104. I was trying to get the Corsair Vengeance RAM, the blue RAM, to match the motherboard. But anyways, I was trying to get the Corsair Vengeance blue RAM to match the motherboard, but that was down to like $158, but the price actually went back up to like $170 some. So for the savings, just to match colors, I'm like, yeah, I'll stick with this one here. So we'll see how it looks when I'm all done. The fans, we got 5 Cooler Master Sickleflow red fans, $6.99 each for $35. CPU liquid cooler, we got the Corsair Hydro H60 for $59. Keyboard, we got the wireless combo, the Logitech MK550 for $50. Got 3 SATA cables. Actually, I needed one more, but whatever. I got one laying around, I think, somewhere. And some Arctic Silver. Then I also picked up a Transcend, basically a USB that you plug in your micro SD cards and regular SD cards to. And then you can plug it into your USB 3.0 slot on the computer. So that was only 12 bucks total. And then I picked up another really good deal here, was some Memorex Blu Ray discs. And they were, for a 30 pack, they were only $14.99. So that was a really good price on them. Total, if I wouldn't have saved any money, would have been $2,567. But with the sales and the price I got everything at, the total build cost was actually $19.33. And if you notice, I didn't get any speakers, because the ones we were looking at did not go on sale. But he still has $66, $67 to find a pair of speakers. So that should be plenty of money to get a decent pair of speakers. If he wants to go high end with a sub, it's gonna run him over $100 probably. So, but even if it's, say, $100, it's still only $30 over budget. But everything he got would be very top of the line. So yeah. So savings alone on by shopping around Black Friday getting good deals was $634. It's alright. I will stay tuned for future videos. I'll show you guys all the parts, and then I'll do a video of putting it all together. So here's a list of everything here. I'll include this in the description of the video.